Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, I've shown you how to create a new Aqua table and map this table to the user table using using Aqua ID as a foreign key and make it as a one-to-one relationship. In this video, I will guide you how to save objects that have a one-to-one relationship. Okay, come back to the code, and in the previous video I've created a new SIP with a user as a parameter, and this function works as when we call this function, we will have a user records saving in the user table. But now we have a address for each user, and we need to save the address too when we save a user. So to save an address along with the user, I will update my code. I have in the user table, I have add a new variable with the name is object address object, and with a column here. So I will come back to the application, and now I have I've called the method save here to save a user, and now I will update this function to save the address of the user along with the user. So I will let me create a new address. New. Let me click here and control space, import the class. What? I will check with this. I will use the constructor with two parameters. So I will pass the first parameter will be the street, and the second will be the city. For the address, I will set it as address 1, and the city I will set it as city 1. Then I will move this live code and create add a new user equal, and then I will use this user and set address, and I will set the address I just created. Then I will save this user. So for this live code, I've saved a user object and address of that user too, because we have this property, and the cascade is cascade on. That means if we save this user, the address of this user will save in the database too. Okay, I will come back to the application, and I will run the firstly before running the application, I will check the records here, and as you can see, I have 3 records, and in the address table I have no record here. Come back and run the application. The application is running, and we need to wait a little bit for it to start. Okay, when you see this code and you see there is no error in the console, so that means I think we are creating a new user with an address successfully. So I will go to the database to check it. I will check the user table first by refresh this, and I have a new record with the user ID with ID E4, and the address ID E1. So I will go to the Aqua table and refresh. As you can see, I have user Aquas 1 here, and the user is point to that Aquas ID. That means is 0. I will come back to my code, and I want to update my my code. Thus, I will create a new Aquas with the Aquas 2 and the CT2. Then I will set this Aquas to a new user here, and I will run the application again. Okay, I will go to the database and refresh the user table, and you can see I have a new record with the ID E5 and Aquat ID E2, and I have a ID Aquat 2 here. That means we are creating a new user with a new Aquat successfully. So what if I want to set the Aquat with the street 2 for the user with the user ID with the user ID 1 or 2? We need to update this user, but in this video I don't teach you this. I will teach you in the upcoming videos. Okay, that's all for the video today, and see you in the next one.